Hey guys, what is up? It is Xbox Nice Productions, and today we're going to be showing you how to take apart or disassemble your Xbox 360 Slim 250 gig Xbox. Alright, 250 gig. 250 gig. Alright, not 4 gig. 4 gig is a little bit different. So the first thing that you guys want to take notice is you guys are going to be voiding your warranty if you still got your warranty. And the first time for opening up your Xbox, it's gonna be pretty hard to. I opened this Xbox about 5 times. Alright, just about. That's like a rough estimate. And yeah. So let's get started. So basically, the tools that you'll need is a Torx 10 or TX10. A flathead screwdriver, just about like this small, like medium size. You need a really small Phillips or flathead, really small one, and a Phillips screwdriver. Alright. First thing you want to do is take your flathead, or no, I'll put that down for now. So what you want to do is, on the hard drive side, you want to take apart this piece right here that goes to the hard drive. Alright, set this down somewhere safe. Okay. Alright, and then the other grill. I'll bring this a little bit closer for you guys. Do everything that's out right here. Alright, so basically what next is I'm gonna rip this open right here, this piece. Try to get a better angle. And rip off this piece of the grill. Alright, set that down, put it down in a safe place. You won't lose it or break it. Alright. Then you see this little black piece that surrounds this top half. First, you just want to take out your hard drive right here. Then what you want to do is rip this off and set this piece aside right here. Basically, how you rip this off is it'll be set down like this right here. So it'll be set down like that, and then basically you just want to pop every single. So you just want to pop each side like this with a flathead. Take that out like that. You'll get used to it. Alright. Next part is taking apart the clips in the Xbox. Alright, so you want to take your smallest flathead that you got and take the flashlight so you guys can see. So as you can see there's a clip like right there, right here, and so there's one clip right there, a clip right there, couple clips back here. Can't really see them, but it's something that you guys will see in person. I try to light up my room as best as I could. But like I said, there'll be like a little notch for your flathead. You go right in, pry that open, and pry this one open, pull that up. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty rough doing this. My first time opening up this Xbox, it was pretty hard. And let's do the last clips right here. Right here. Now I'll show you what I did. Alright, so let me just line this up with the camera so you can see. And so basically, what I did was there was a clip right here. So I put my flathead in this little notch and pried it away, and so the clip will come unleashed. Can't get a really good shot of it, but sorry, I was a little sick. So basically that's what you do for the other side right here that we got. So that's just the hard drive side. Now you go over to the other side. Basically what you want to do on this side is take your other flathead, go on the corner, right here. If you guys can see it, probably not. Get your flathead screwdriver in between the girls and twist, and it'll pop right out. Alright, my tool out on the side. Alright, then here I'll show you how to take off this one black piece right here. So these silver little notches right here, as you can see, like right there, basically what you do is press down on those notches, like so. It should come up. Oh, nope, sorry. So, showing you guys the wrong way. Alright, so in between, so there's two layers, so there's like the sheet metal layer right there, and there's this, like, okay, so basically what you want to do with your flathead, take your big one, alright, go in between those two layers, let's pry it open. You get all those notches, right? Mine came off pretty easy, as you can see, just came off like that. Alright, so put that aside. Then what you got here, right here, is your Wi-Fi card. Wi-Fi card, if you guys can't see that right there. Basically, this, if you guys are Xbox Live players, this you'll need to save, because this is what gets you live. This is what gets your internet right here, is your Wi-Fi card. But anyways, you want to take your small screwdriver, right? And with the same clips, basically, just do the same method on the other side. Get my one right here. So basically, alright, so basically, what you want to do is get in between these little notches right here and pull towards you, and it should pop right off. Alright, there's little clips. It's a pain to get off. Alright, and then there's other clips right here. These are always hard to get off, no matter what. Alright, and then pops off like that. Alright, well, not like that, because you guys will be having a whole lot of trouble doing this. It's gonna be fun. Now, what you want to do is take your Torx screwdriver, Torx 10, and there'll be a screw holding down the Wi-Fi card. If I can show it. I don't know if this is dark enough for you guys, but you see that screw right there? That screw right there? That is what holds the Wi-Fi card down. And then there's the USB clip. So like a USB pretty much. It's a Wi-Fi card. The Wi-Fi card is pretty much like a USB clip, but supported down by like a Torx screw. So you want to unscrew that screw. Alright. And then take it right out. And this is what the Wi-Fi card looks like. Alright, so it has that little like USB connection thing. Right there. Alright. Set this aside. Some are pretty safe because you guys do not want to break that no matter what. And you guys will be seeing this in first hand. I can't really like show you that well on my webcam that I have set up on my computer. and with the lighting, this is just going to be something that you'll encounter firsthand. You won't be able to see any of the clips down here, but there are 2 clips right here, and then one right here. And this is where those 2 flatheads come in handy, you know? Alright. And then you're gonna hear that clip open. Yay, almost done. You just got off the case. Well, then you got the other side. The other side is like a pain. So basically, when you get these clips open, or released right here, you're going to put them on the outside of the case so they don't clip back on in the outside, or the inside of the case. So just put the clips on the outside of the case. It won't break your case at all, I guarantee it. This case is built pretty tough, believe it or not. Alright, so there's one clip right here, and then there's a hidden clip all the way down here. And you won't be able to see that. I can't even see that. So basically what I do is unclip the first clip that I see right here. Come here and insert that snap. Then I'll flip it over. And I'll flip it over again because it could clip back on. Alright. Oh, don't want to break it. Alright, so basically, now what you want to do is get in between the 2 cracks right here. Oh yeah, by the way, there is a warranty sticker like right next to it, so. And then there's twist. And then take your other screwdriver, right, and twist it right here. And you hear a snap, alright? Now you got the hardest part done. Alright. I'm going to reposition my camera again. Alright, so now you just can take this part open. So, you want to take the top part of the case off first. Basically, how you take this off, you just lift this up, not all the way, and this end right here is connected by the sensor. I'll show you here, spinning around. It's connected by this faceplate right here. Basically, what you do is pull it out like that. Put this in a safe place again. Then your last warranty sticker to open up your Xbox. Well, not the last one, but if you want to open up your disk drive, then yeah. There's a warranty sticker right there. I pulled that right off. Let's open it up. So basically, you want to take your Torx and open this. Bring that down. There is one screw right there. Hold up one sec. Hold up. Alright, so there's a screw right there, screw right there, screw right there, one right there, and one right there. There on the very top. Right there. Right there. Alright. So now you do the unscrewing process. Alright. These are going to be like the really long screwdrivers, or screws, and screwdrivers. I almost said screwdrivers. Basically, they look like this. You will not mix these up with any of the screws inside these Xbox, and this Xbox, because it's the only screw that looks this long. Alright. Put this in a safe place. Stay. Alright. screw the other screws. Sure. There. Like I said, this will always be tough opening up your Xbox for the first time. It's not as easy as it looks, because I opened up my Xbox about like 15 times. Not 50 times, but a lot of times. I'm assuming if you are opening up this Xbox is for mods. Of course, everybody knows that. Alright, so once you're done unscrewing all the screws, oh, not all the screws, but the screws I just showed you, you know, flip it over. Alright. So this is important. The face mask right here, the faceplate, is connected by a electrical band that makes your Xbox touch sensitive. So if you do rip that band, you're basically done with the touch sensitive. You're just gonna have to use controls on your controller. Yeah. So basically, it's like the same concept as the other case or other side of the case. You lift it up and pull it out, and then ta-da! You got the case, or not the case. You got the Xbox. All right. Aren't you guys happy? Aren't you guys happy? Alright, so. Alright, then just flip it around. Because we all know that you guys want to go to the hard drive, or the hard disk drive, whatever, you know. And, basically, there are two. Let me see if I'm pointing. There are two wires connecting to the hard drive. It's this one right here and this one. I think it's data SATA or SATA data. And basically, you just want to pull these out, and so let me just put that down. So let's see, this one. Lift this up. You can lift this right up, but not a lot, because the wires are still connected. Hold on one sec. Alright, got one down. Now you got the other one down. Alright, sorry guys. Alright, now let me just put the hard disk drive away. And take this out of the scene. Alright, now, there's your drive right there. Alright, so, there's this rubber thing right here. You just pull that out. Go right out, this rubber thing, keep that right there. Then, oh yeah, there'll be a warranty, there'll be some stickers right here, 2 stickers, warranty stickers. And then, take those off. And there's this little fuzzy little band strap thing that connects, that keeps your disk drive together so it doesn't like fall apart, even though that's screwed. So it's screwed together. So I just want to take that band off. It's like it goes on the outer rim of the. It says like right here, all the way down. Oh yeah, there'll be a sticker right there that you have to rip to get to your disk drive, so you can open that up. Alright, so you won't be able to open it it up at all if you take apart this fuzzy band thing. And it is really hard to get off. Really, really hard. Because it like sticks, basically. And so, goddamn. So it will look like this right here. Put that aside because you're gonna need to put that back on later. Now you got these screws, right here, 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 and here. Those are Phillips screwdrivers, or screws. Can't even say screwdrivers. And basically just unscrew them all. And then don't want to lose these either. Alright. Alright, almost done. I've been going on for 20 minutes, great. It'll take you guys about like twice the amount of time it takes me to open up the Xbox if it's your first time. So basically, yeah, it's going to be about an hour. Alright? You don't want to... Well, you can use your bare hands to open up the case, because that hard shell is pretty durable. I mean, you won't be able to break that, no matter what. Unless you like smash it or something, but you know. Alright, now you can open this right up. Alright. Put this aside somewhere. Alright, now you got this. This basically you just pull up and then slide out. Pull up. I don't know why I'm having trouble with this, but, you know. Basically, just pull up, and it slides. Right off, like that. And there you go. So things that you don't want to touch on this is, of course, the center right there. Don't want to touch that. Touch that, you're done. You be done. You out. And then put the bottom case back on properly. Right. So now I just gotta take off these two stickers right here. Basically, what you do after that is push the magnet, and it should come right out like that. And then put this back. And that's your magnet to hotspot. And then you just reconnect the ports on the back, like normal. And then, yeah, basically that's how you hotspot. I don't have a disc around here, but hotspot gonna be for later. So yeah, that's how you take apart and disassemble your Xbox. Make it sound more professional, you know, disassemble, so take apart. Alright, see you guys later, and I'll be making another video on how to put together your Xbox. Alright, see you then.